Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the potential of this unique property, offering breathtaking ocean views and a promising opportunity for customization. Nestled in a picturesque location at Culloden Whitehouse and sits on a half-acre lot, this partially completed house is a canvas ready for your personal touch. This home boasts generous living and kitchen areas, ideal for creating your dream coastal haven. The foundation and the main structure are in place, providing a solid base for your vision. With the interior still in progress, you have the freedom to design and finish the spaces to suit your preferences. Based on its location, you will have easy access to local amenities, serene beaches, and the charming coastal communities. Embrace this opportunity to transform this property into your ideal sanctuary. Whether you're a seasoned innovator or a visionary homeowner, this house is brimming with potential and waiting for your creative input. Guys, let's take a quick look at this structure. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 27 million or US $175.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.